Do you want to know how to sign up for Medicare online? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through the simple application process step by step. Hi, I'm Shawneen Sullivan, founder of USA Medicare Plan, where we help people on Medicare find low-cost options for Medicare supplement and prescription drug coverage. If you find our videos helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment or question you want answered below the video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for Medicare online. The whole process for enrolling online is going to take about 10 or 15 minutes, and you'll need to have access to the internet. Before I go through the steps to enroll online, let's talk about who can enroll for Medicare online. This online enrollment we're talking about is for Medicare only. If you also want to start your Social Security retirement benefits, then you can apply at the same time you apply for your Medicare. If you already receive Social Security benefits or railroad retirement benefits before turning age 65, you'll automatically be enrolled in Medicare Parts A and B. You don't need to do anything or apply online. Your red, white, and blue Medicare card will be mailed to you approximately 60 to 90 days before your effective date. Your Medicare card will have your name, Medicare beneficiary ID number, and coverage effective dates for Part A and Part B. If you're not already receiving Social Security retirement benefits and you're approaching age 65, then you can sign up for Medicare during your initial enrollment period. This is a 7-month window that starts 3 months before, includes the month of your birthday, and ends 3 months after your birthday month. If your birthday falls on the first of the month, then your Medicare will begin 1 month prior to your birthday month. If you delayed enrolling in Medicare Parts A and B because you were still working, then you can enroll online for both Part A and Part B. There are also 2 forms you need to fill out and send in to Social Security to show that you were covered under employer or other creditable insurance. This way you won't have any penalty for not signing up when you were first eligible at 65. If you enrolled previously in Part A but not Part B, then you have the option to apply for Medicare Part B online using a special application link at ssa.gov. You can also upload the 2 required forms with your application that shows proof of creditable coverage. We'll include the application link in the description below this video. To start the application, scroll down to the bottom of the page and check the box that you understand and agree. Then click Start Application. This is an electronic form, so click the yellow arrow that says Start. Then fill in the required information on the form and scroll down the page a bit where you'll see a remarks box. Type in the first of the month that you want your Part B to start. Fill in the employer's information, and then at the bottom you can attach the 2 forms that are required to be sent in with your application. You'll click to sign, and you'll also need an email address to confirm your digital signature. You'll need to receive and complete the email confirmation before the application is submitted. You still have the option to send in your forms by fax or mail. Social Security will process your Medicare Part B application and issue you a new Medicare card that includes your added Part B effective date on it. The first step to apply online for Medicare is to go to ssa.gov or socialsecurity.gov. Social Security handles all the sign-ups for Medicare, so don't worry that you're not enrolling in Medicare. You're in the right place. At the ssa.gov website, you'll need to create a My Social Security account if you don't have one already. Just go to the top right and click Sign In, Sign Up. If you don't have an account already, then just follow the steps to create a username and a password. The next step is to apply for your Medicare. From the home page of ssa.gov, you want to click on the box that says Medicare Enrollment. On the next page, scroll about 3/4 of the way down and look for the blue button that says Apply for Medicare Only. Here is where you can also come back and request a replacement Medicare card, check the status of your application, or return to a saved application if you haven't finished one yet. Click the blue button Apply for Medicare Only. The next page brings you to the Terms of Service, where you want to check the box that you understand and agree. Click Next. Since we can't go through a live application, we'll show you the prepared screenshots from Social Security. This is where you can apply online for retirement and/or Medicare benefits. Click on Start a New Application. Or you can also return to a saved application. You'll type in all the requested information about yourself in the next section. After completing this section, you'll get a re-entry number. Write this number down in case you need to take a break and come back to the application. For the Medicare section, you'll be asked if you want to apply for Medicare only and not retirement benefits at this time. Click Yes if you want to apply for Medicare only. If you also want to apply for Social Security retirement benefits, then click No. You'll have to complete additional information for the retirement benefits section, so we're just going to continue with the Medicare only application for this video. You have the option to apply for Part B along with Part A. If you want your full Medicare benefits, then check Yes for Part A and B. If you only want Part A, then answer No for enrolling in Part B. Enrolling in Part A only is for people that are still employed with group health insurance. The company will have 20 or more employees. Medicare will coordinate and pay secondary to your group insurance. Finally, you'll answer questions about any health insurance coverage you've had and the start and end dates. If you don't know the exact dates, then just use an estimated time frame. There's a box that says Remarks and Comments. If you're new to Medicare and turning 65, then you can leave this blank. Otherwise, if you delayed your Medicare because of other circumstances, then you can type in here the date you want your Part B to start. Now you can go through your application and make sure everything is correct. Check the box to agree and then click on the Submit button. You'll get a confirmation link where you can save a copy of your application. I highly recommend you save this. You'll also get a confirmation email from Social Security. A confirmation letter of enrollment will also be mailed to you in a few weeks. Then it takes a few more weeks to get your Medicare card in the mail. Once you've applied for Medicare Parts A and B, you'll want to look for a Medicare supplement and prescription drug coverage. I hope this video has helped simplify the steps for you to enroll in Medicare online. If you have any questions, please call or email us. Our service is 100% free and we're happy to help you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to watch our other videos to help you better understand your Medicare.